Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the USB board. Remove the USB board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the fan. Remove the DC-in cable from the routing channel on the fan. Disconnect the fan cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the 2.8mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the fan to the top cover. Lift the fan off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the fan